Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Bungle Collects. We're going to have £250 worth of 50 pences to go through. This is episode 3 of our little mini series that we're doing. If you haven't seen 1 and 2, do go back and watch them. Episode 4 is the final episode which will come up after this one. And we're basically saying we've got £1,000 worth of 50 pences. It'll cost us £20 in bank charges. Will we have made any money, or how much money will we have lost? We picked our bags in episode 1. This is Lady M's second bag in episode 3, dated the 8th of the 9th, presumably 2022. 4 bags from 4 corners of the country. Coin bags assembled in the northeast area for us to have a look through. Let's see, there we go. We've got our coin albums, Lady M. We don't need to see yours, do we? It's so full. Yours is that full, it's hard to pick up now. There's so many coins in. But if we do find one for the album, we will show you, because we've only got a few weeks left now before the end of the year. Before the big reveal. Who's got the fullest album? Who's got the most Benjis? Can't wait to find out. That's poor first bag there, Lady M. Like I've said in previous episodes, it's always a risk once you get bank bags like this that someone has already hunted through them for the valuable ones, took all the valuable ones out, and just threw back the ones that are not valuable. Speaking of non-valuable coins, there is a dictionary. Lots and lots of dictionaries. That gives you a little bit of faith. Although I think your standard coin hunter, that doesn't watch YouTube videos, doesn't even know about low minted shields.
Another dictionary.
It's a little indicator that it might be alright. It's a slow start. Lots and lots of Britannias and shields. How do you feel this one's going to go, Lady M?
That.
Oh, that's a nice condition, isn't it?
Isn't it just?
Yeah.
That's super shiny. Considering it's from 2020, it's 12 years old. It's public libraries. Yeah, it's really good condition.
Any sharp edges? Could it be? Oops. Could it be from a year 2000 set? Someone's opened up and spent. No. We'll put that. We'll swap that. We'll swap that one out. Yeah. It's been really nice, Nick. That, hasn't it?
I suppose Benjamin Bunny.
Benji.
Rotations, nothing on it. So I'm going to say 3.
I will then say how many bunnies you're going to find in this episode. I'm going to say... I'm going to say 5. I will think you do quite well in this episode.
See that on the Queen's face, like that line. Whether that's post-mint damage or whether that's...
I think so. It just looks like a scratch to me. What makes you think it's not? Might not be.
Just because it's perfectly on her face and not anywhere else, as if it's like there might have been a crack in there.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, well, let's have another little look then. I'm just stalling so I can get through this bag. There's a little bit of a dirty Britannia there. So where are we here?
It's raised rather than dull.
All right, yeah, I see what you mean, yeah. Yeah, but then is it just raised because? Is it just raised because of the, you know, when you make the gouge
possibly.
in it, so it made like a channel. Maybe where it just stops directly on the Queen's, at the bottom of the Queen's neck.
Yeah.
I've never seen it before. I'd imagine it would just be a scratch, like I can't. I mean, I'll keep it anyway. I mean, doesn't do any harm, does it? Just to keep it just in case. Let me know in the comments, people. Is it just post-mint damage? Has anyone heard or seen a coin like that before that suggests it isn't post-mint damage, or they were all Britannias then? Does anybody have any other theories? Could it possibly be one of the dies is maybe cracked, perhaps? Or is it just being scratched afterwards? What do you think? it isn't just scratched. What's it worth? Will it help us recover our bank charges? This feels like a throwback on this. Every single one of them was a Britannia.
Right.
The scream someone's hunted through. The downside of rolling over bags. Upside, of course, someone's paid their collection in, or they've just been collecting for a while and paid them in the bank. Doesn't pay any attention to what pictures are on them.
The Benjamin Bunny.
How many did I say? I said 5. Did I say 5?
6 or...
How many did you say?
3, did I? Can't even remember now.
Do you know what? I can't remember. It was only about, what, 4 minutes ago?
Yeah.
If that. Oh, well, if this is going to be a bit of a bust hunt, lady, I'm glad it happened to you. Not me, because I can't wait. My bag, episode 4, I've got a Clifton suspension bridge bag.
Was it Diversity?
That was teased at the beginning.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, that is
quite
nice.
Good condition.
That is
well.
nice, yeah. No one would throw it. I don't think anyone would throw the NHS back.
No.
I mean, it's possible because it's for this 5. We'll have to go in the plum fine section now, lady. It's possible because there is, over 5 million minted. So, people might think, oh, well, I'm not going to make much big money off it. So it's a keeper for me. I've kept all of mine, all the ones I've ever found, unless they're not in particularly nice condition.
Oh, there's a Paddington at the station.
Nice. Like trains, you wait a few hunts to find one, and then you find 2 in quick succession. Spoiler alert if you haven't seen episode 1. But in episode 1 there was a far more significant coin in there, wasn't there? And of course, you've always got the not intended for circulation fines.
Yeah.
Even if they have been hunted through. I don't think many people know about the shields, the bog standard shield. That's a Victoria Cross the Medals.
Team GB.
People don't know about bog standard shields that can be worth, I would say, all upwards of £50. Flying through this, aren't we?
Yeah.
I think we might do this episode 3 in less than 10 minutes.
Right.
Like total run time 10 minutes.
What's depends how long you talk for.
Well, okay, I'll be nice and succinct. Did I pronounce that right? Find it hard to say. Succinct. Succinct. Short and to the point, rather than verbose. Because I have been told in the past I am a little verbose. Right, I've got a nice little run here of commemoratives. We've got a Jeremy Toad Boy. We've got a People Act. We have this one yet? Do we have that one? No. And a Paddington at the Tower. So 2 out of the 4 Paddingtons that like to nuzzle away and snuggle away together in that corner. Was that all that was in this bag? Was there any more? Did I just so happen to see everything? I did, right? Final bag. Can't wait to get dug into that next episode. So if you're watching this when it uploads, it'll be a Tuesday.
There's number 3 of the 4 Paddingtons at the Palace.
Episode 4 comes out on Thursday. Of course, if it's already out, you can just go straight ahead and watch it. You lucky ducks. There is another Diversity. So we found the 2020 commemorative coins twice. 2 Brexit sets. Oops.
Right.
That was a 2014 Shield. Right. Oh well. So no winners of this episode's Benjamin Bunny challenge because nobody got their required totals, but still 2 for your thingy, Lady M. So well done there. Keepers, I'll be keeping that Paddington at the station. He's a bit dirty, this Paddington, so he can go back. So I didn't notice you get that Team GB either. So they're the ones that go back for definite. These are the keepers. Oh, 2014 Shield randomly
Yeah,
there.
it's got the
Oh,
Queen on.
oh, sorry. That's probably sorry, lady. That's probably how we got scratched in the first place, isn't it? So there were the keepers. That one because it's in such nice condition. That one because it's a low minted shield. That one because it's got a scratch across the face. That one because I just don't find that many of them. This one is the plum for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, we all love it, don't we?
We do.
The NHS.
Yeah.
Right, okay, that's episode 3. Stay tuned for the final episode 4, and I'll give you a review of everything we found in episode 1, 2, 3, and 4 as well. Did we make our bank charges back? Let's find out. I've gone over the 10 minutes, lady, haven't you? Right, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.